Well, before we get started today, I got to give a shout out to Chevrolet and thank them for helping us bring this series to you guys. I mean, we've been cruising around Timber Ridge Ranch the last few days. I mean, looking good in this Chevy Silverado, and this one has an appearance package. I mean, not only have we been back in the woods, we've been looking good while we've been back in the woods, but this series has been a lot of fun, and I hate to see it come to the end, but we're finally at our last segment of the series, post-rut, or late season feeding patterns, and this is a great time to fill a tag if you've not already filled it. I mean, this time of year is when the deer are looking for food. It's late in the season's about to go out, the winter month has really hit in, it's really cold outside, especially if you live up north, but finding the food is crucial, and finding an area you can go to and keep the deer unpressured and try to find a route that you can keep the deer in that pattern. So basically, you're not worried about finding does, you're not worried about finding, a situation where you're finding a lot of rubs and scrapes. The deer are totally looking for food. That's what you got to take advantage of. Look for that late season food that's available, and I guarantee you, you're going to find the deer and you're going to fill your tag if you still got one left. Well, I really hope you've enjoyed this series. I know we've had a blast doing it, and I definitely got to thank Chevrolet for making it possible. And with that, if you want to find out more information on Chevy trucks, go to chevy.com/thetruck. Another great resource is check out Access the Outdoors if you're looking for a place to hunt. Find your spot there. I really appreciate y'all watching. And if you have an opportunity, get out there and celebrate the hunt. It's a lot of fun, but if you're gonna do it, make sure you do it in the right truck. Get a Chevrolet.